Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Snickerdoodle cookies. These cookies are so American, as you know, full of cinnamon with an amazing taste, perfect for fall. Honestly, they are everything you need right now, so let's start with the recipe. So I'm going to start off like any other cookie recipe by creaming my butter with my two types of sugar. Today I'm using some white sugar and some brown sugar. I'm using light, as you can see, but you can definitely use some dark brown sugar. And I'm going to mix that well until combined and smooth. Perfect, now we can add the spices. So I'm using some vanilla extract, of course, and then I'm going to add some cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and I'm going to mix that well. Now adding one large egg and one egg yolk and beating again. So for my dry ingredients, I'm going to first of all use some all-purpose flour, of course, to which I'm going to add baking soda and a pinch of salt. And then I'm going to add one very special ingredient in this recipe, which is cream of tartar. This is very important for the taste of these cookies. If you want to make actual authentic Snickerdoodle cookies, you need to add the cream of tartars. If you don't use it, it won't be as authentic as possible, but of course I won't come to your door and just yell at you for not using it. So do what you want, and then I'm going to add my dry ingredients in the mix. Perfect, so my cookie dough is now ready and I'm going to let it rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour or until well rested and a bit more hard. As you can see, I just made a cinnamon sugar, which basically means mixing white sugar and ground cinnamon together. And now I'm going to make balls out of my cookie dough and just dunk them in my cinnamon sugar and cover them entirely, and then put them on my baking sheet covered with some parchment paper, and it is very easy, as you can see. Perfect, so my cookies are ready to be baked in the oven, preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. That's 350 Fahrenheit if you are in the US. And I'm going to bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. My perfect timing for me was 9 minutes, and then I will let them rest completely. So as you can see, our cookies are wonderful and so thick and special. They look amazing and they taste even better, and they are super chewy and delicious, full of cinnamon, and also you can taste the cream of tartar. It adds a bit of an acidity to the cookies. Amazing, perfect together and perfect for fall. So you can find the ingredients in the description box down below this video, as well as the social media where to follow me. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. Please follow this YouTube channel if you really like the videos that I just put out. It really helps me growing on YouTube, and I will see you next time for another amazing recipe. Bye!